Weather manipulation is on everybody's mind right now. You make it rain. What if this does intensify hurricanes or take the rain away from the Amazon and create a drought? I mean, once it's happened, how many people would pay the price by making the Sahara green, eliminates the rain in the Amazon? Then we got to figure something out immediately because it's going to affect all those people.
Imagine a future where storms aren't random, where hurricanes can be stopped, rain can be summoned, and heat waves can be cooled, all by artificial intelligence. Sounds like sci-fi? It's already happening, quietly. Weather control is real. Weather modification isn't new. Governments have been experimenting with cloud seeding for decades, dropping silver iodide into clouds to create rain. But now, AI is taking over the process. Instead of guessing how to influence weather, AI is crunching billions of atmospheric data points and making real-time adjustments to control storms with pinpoint precision. We're talking about AI-driven weather hacking, the ability to bend nature itself. How AI controls weather. Here's how it works. AI supercomputers simulate millions of weather patterns in seconds. Drone fleets release chemicals, moisture, or reflective particles based on AI's predictions. High-energy lasers or microwave beams are used to steer storm systems by altering air currents. It's not just a forecast anymore. It's a remote control for the sky. Military interest. And guess who's funding it? The military. The US, China, and Russia have all been accused of working on weather warfare programs, using storms and droughts as weapons. Imagine, an AI generates a perfect storm to cripple enemy infrastructure. A drought is triggered in a rival nation by manipulating rainfall patterns. It sounds like conspiracy theory, until you realize China openly bragged about using weather control to ensure clear skies during the 2008 Beijing Olympics. Private companies want in. It's not just governments. Tech startups are pitching AI weather services to countries struggling with climate disasters. Want to avoid drought? We'll make it rain. Too much heat? We'll cool your region down. This isn't charity, it's business. Whoever controls the weather controls survival. Here's the scary part. Weather isn't local. You mess with one system, you might wreck another. Example, if you stop a hurricane from hitting Florida, you might accidentally push it toward Mexico or the Caribbean. And with AI in charge, who's accountable when things go wrong? What if the AI decides that the optimal solution for saving one city is flooding another?
Geoengineering at scale. Some scientists are already looking beyond local weather tweaks. They're using AI to design planetary-scale geoengineering projects like reflecting sunlight to cool the Earth, spraying aerosols to control global temperatures, creating man-made rain belts to restore farmland. But messing with the planet's natural systems, that's like playing chess against nature, with 7 billion people as the pieces. What if AI goes rogue? AI isn't just calculating weather, it's learning from it. The more it analyzes, the more it predicts, and eventually, it may start making decisions on its own. If the AI controlling the weather is hacked, or worse, develops unintended behavior, we could face storms designed by something we don't understand. Think about it. AI-triggered hurricanes, blackmail via weather manipulation, entire regions held hostage by the sky. The future of weather. Imagine 10 years from now, cities subscribe to weather services like Netflix. Farmers buy rain packages for their crops. Countries fight weather wars over clouds and storms. The sky itself becomes commercial real estate. But when every raindrop is controlled, is it still nature? AI controlling weather might save lives, but it might also give a handful of people godlike power. Who decides when it rains? Who decides when it doesn't? And what happens if the AI makes the call? The next big war might not be over oil or land. It could be over the weather itself. Want the full breakdown of the AI weather race? Smash that like button, sub to Techrupt, and dive into the main channel for more tech that feels like sci-fi turned real.